Today is May 22nd. This is day 6 of my docuseries, A Founder's Road to 500K. Please like us, follow us, and share us. We're doing great things. We're providing great information to other founders. I'm a Black, female, veteran founder. And my experiences can give you a little bit of insight on how to be successful as a founder. Let's go. What the weekend review. So Friday is all about the weekend review. I still have to call the IRS. I'll be on the phone with them for about 4 or 5 hours. Friday, they generally pick up because a lot of people are not worried about calling the IRS on Friday, especially Memorial Day weekend. I forgot. So I'll be calling them today. That was something that was on my list on Monday, so I need to get that done today. I got my situation with my emails taken care of. So what I was planning to do, I was planning to transfer all of my emails and buy them directly from 365. However, because I purchased my domains with GoDaddy, it's going to be very difficult to move them. And I don't want my websites to go down for a day or two trying to move my domains from one provider to another. So I'm just going to stick with GoDaddy. You got me. I'm going to stick with the GoDaddy and leave the emails and domains exactly where they are because I don't want to have an interruption in service. I am still awaiting my samples to send to the United States Marine Corps. That is a priority. That can get me to 500K in one day. So we're still waiting for the samples. And also I'm going to work on a presentation for a boot manufacturing company out of San Antonio, Texas. Why is that important? And why does that lead to money? Because if I want to get a government contract, a DOD contract, all of the boots have to be made in the United States of America. And I need to pitch to the factory to want to work with me. So I'm going to do that. Also, I'm going to spend a little time today on some AI classes. I want AI to help me with content. I want AI to help me with that presentation. And I also want AI to help me with formulating a plan to get through the holidays. It's going to be very, very cool. And also AI is going to help me with the sales funnel. So I sell these products along with my military grade combat boots. Just a second. So I got my U.S. Air Force husband slides. I got Space Force slides. I have Army slides, and then I have Air Force slides. And they're all super cool. Check out our website. But I need to figure out how to get this product in front of Army, Navy surplus stores, all of the stores that are sold outside the bases, because my products are sold in the bases, but a lot of people don't go to bases. So I want to expand my distribution. So I'm going to use AI to help me get in contact with those stores, telephone numbers, email addresses, so I can do a cold sales call and see if they like to buy our product. Usually when I do that, I'll get like 7 out of 10 yeses, which is it increases our revenue, which is always very important. So that's the day. I'm wrapping up Friday. I'm looking forward to my next week. Even though this is Memorial Day weekend, it's a very short weekend. It's a very short week because of the weekend. I'm looking forward to this journey. I know I'll probably make my 500K within the next 2 months. Stay with us on this journey. Did I talk about my tie? So I am a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. This is my tie. Shout out to all our AKAs. Sigma Gamma Rho. Talk to you later.